How's it going? If you're new to my channel, first thanks for popping by and I hope you stay. I usually do stuff oriented around sewing. There's going to be a little bit of sewing in the projects I'm doing today. I've just got a couple of DIY things I need to do. I thought it might be interesting to some of you. So when I'm not sewing or running or camping or doing a bunch of other stuff, I also occasionally spearfish quite badly.
These things are ninjas, man.
And I needed to make a couple of modifications to my gear because I got a spearfishing trip coming up this weekend. So the first thing I need to do is I carry a flashlight on my weight belt, but I've just been kind of lark's heading it through its own little lanyard, and it's really inconvenient to take off the belt and put back on. I just want to have a way to clip it on. I happen to have this brass clip here, so I'm just going to make a strap to attach it to my belt so I can just clip it on and off. And the other project I have is I found this boogie board in the mangroves a couple of years ago, and I tried using it as a float for my dive flag and to keep stuff on. And it works pretty good, but the hole has kind of gotten opened up a little bit, so I'm just going to add a piece of PVC in the hole, put a couple of washers, and reattach my dive flag and see if that holds a little bit better. Hopefully it'll work better than spending hundreds of dollars on a real float. This seems like it should be pretty quick and easy, so I'm just going to start with it. I bought a coupling for 1-inch PVC or half-inch PVC, and that wow, it fits perfectly. I just eyeballed it when I was at the store. So what I want to do is take this styrofoam float off, which I've got attached on right now with some hose clamps around some inner tube, and run this back through with a washer on it. So let me do that.
Hi, are you Jason?
Maybe. Do I owe you money?
No, not yet.
This moves around a lot. This moves around a lot inside that piece of coupling I put in there. I don't want to fill that. While I'm waiting for the expanding foam to cure, I'll sew up the strap for the flashlight. So I want to put this here, and because the buckle is here, I would have to take all of this other stuff off to slide this on. I'm just going to sew it in place so that I don't have to do that. I think that'll work. I'm not going to sew it to the belt. I'm just going to sew the two ends together, but I'm going to do it on the belt. It'll make sense when you see it. Just putting a double fold on both ends to conceal the raw edge. I'm not being too terribly fussy about it. This is a functional job, not a decorative job. In case you're wondering why this is so long, it's to make it easier to pull this off in the event that I need to in an emergency. Okay, so I'm all set for some spearing on Sunday. If you're interested in how this turns out, go check out my second channel, The Jason Wins. That's where I post most of the other stuff that I do. For example, this weekend I'm going to be going up to a bit north of Tampa to do a nighttime 20-mile trail run. Be camping out. The race starts and ends at a campground. So I'll camp there that night and then spearfish on the way home. And that'll become a video on that channel fairly shortly thereafter. So if you like that kind of thing, I would love it if you check out that other channel. Otherwise, see you in the next video on this one. Thanks for watching.